Here's a tutorial on how to make it look like you're running in midair with stop motion.
So imagine that like in the air you're running. So like the first jump would be like
one
that.
way.
Then the
other
next
way would be that way.
Yeah,
We're using the Lapse
then
app,
maybe, like,
and
one
every
person
time he
maybe
jumps,
between
I
your
snap a
legs.
photo super quick at the peak of his jump, and I can see a light layer of the jump he did right before to make sure we're on track, to make it look like his legs are moving in a running formation.
Like one more
Yeah.
of this side.
Okay, set, go. Got it. That was a good one. That was a really good one.
All right, so other side.
Yep.
Coordination.
Of course, I had to delete some images that weren't ones we wanted to use, but then we download as a video, and all strung together, it looks so cool. Follow for more tutorials like this.